Find a comfortable position. Physical comfort helps create a sense of ease and relaxation. When you're comfortable, it becomes easier to focus your attention and let go of physical distractions. Setting a timer helps beginners establish a dedicated time for their meditation practice. It provides structure and ensures that you devote a specific duration to mindfulness. Starting with shorter durations, such as 5 or 10 minutes, is recommended for beginners as it allows for a gradual buildup of focus and concentration. The breath serves as an anchor for your attention. By directing your focus to the breath, you cultivate awareness of the present moment. Observing the breath helps calm the mind and brings you into the present experience. During meditation, thoughts, emotions, and sensations may arise. The goal is not to suppress or eliminate these experiences, but to cultivate an accepting and non-judgmental attitude towards them. Instead of getting carried away by thoughts, gently bring your attention back to the breath. This practice of non-judgment helps develop self-compassion and reduces the tendency to get caught up in self-criticism. The body scan is a technique used to bring awareness to different parts of the body. It helps you connect with your physical sensations and become more attuned to your body's signals. By scanning through each body part, you cultivate a deeper sense of embodiment and release any tensions or discomfort you may be holding. As a beginner, you may find your mind wandering often. The practice of returning to the present moment involves gently and non-judgmentally guiding your attention back whenever you notice your mind has wandered. This is a key aspect of mindfulness, as it strengthens your ability to stay present and focused in daily life, reducing the tendency to get lost in thoughts and distractions. Expand your awareness to include your surroundings. Notice the sounds, sensations, and any other sensory experiences present in the environment. Allow your awareness to encompass everything that arises in your field of perception without getting caught up in any particular sensation or thought. As you continue to stay present with an open awareness, Observe any thoughts, emotions, or sensations that arise without judgment. Simply notice them as they come and go, acknowledging their presence without getting entangled in them. Practice being a neutral observer of your inner and outer experiences. Shift your attention towards cultivating self-compassion and kindness towards yourself. Recognize that it's natural for the mind to wander and for distractions to arise during meditation. Instead of criticizing or being hard on yourself, offer yourself words of kindness and understanding. Embrace a sense of acceptance and gentleness towards yourself. Shift your attention to your senses and become aware of the physical sensations in your body. Notice the feeling of contact with the surface beneath you, the temperature of the air on your skin, and any other bodily sensations that arise. Allow yourself to fully experience the present moment through your senses. Direct your attention to your emotions without judgment. Notice any feelings that may be present, whether they are positive, negative, or neutral. Allow yourself to observe the emotions with curiosity and acceptance, recognizing that they are temporary experiences passing through your awareness. Slowly and mindfully bring gentle movement to your body. This can include stretching, wiggling your fingers and toes, or any other subtle movements that feel good for you. Pay attention to the sensations and the flow of energy as you move, allowing your body to express itself and release any tension. Engage in a guided visualization exercise where you imagine a peaceful, serene place that brings you joy and relaxation. Create a mental image of this place and immerse yourself in the details, such as colors, sounds, and scents. Allow yourself to experience a sense of calm and tranquility within this visualization. Expand your awareness to the sounds around you. Instead of focusing solely on your breath or body sensations, open up to the auditory environment. Notice the sounds without getting caught up in labeling or analyzing them. Simply observe and allow the sounds to come and go. As thoughts arise during meditation, practice non-attachment by viewing them as passing mental events. Imagine thoughts as leaves floating downstream on a river. Observe them without getting carried away, allowing them to pass by without engagement or judgment. Bring self-inquiry to your meditation practice by asking yourself compassionate questions. For example, what do I need in this moment? Or how can I bring more kindness into my life? Reflect on these questions and allow any insights or answers to arise naturally. Extend loving kindness beyond yourself by directing positive intentions towards others. Visualize loved ones, acquaintances, and even challenging individuals. Silently offer them phrases of well-being, such as "May you be happy," "May you be healthy," "May you live with ease." Cultivate feelings of compassion and connection. Engage in a gratitude practice by listing or mentally acknowledging things you are grateful for in your life. Reflect on specific people, experiences, or aspects of your life that bring you joy and appreciation. Cultivating gratitude helps shift your focus towards the positive aspects of life and promotes a sense of well-being.